First of all, I would like to thank you for Jspiders for giving an opportunity to present myself in front of you. Coming to myself, as you know, my name is Rahul. I have humble beginnings from Chikmagalur, and I completed my matriculation in SJM MP Prakash High School Osturga with a percentage of 89, and I completed my pre-university education in Sarami PU College Davangere with a percentage of 63, and I completed my graduation with a stream of computer science in SJM Institute of Technology Chitradurga with a CGPA of 6.4. I shown beginning interest in computer and networking during my school years. Completing my technical course opened my world to the immense possibilities in this field, and I immediately got excited to finish my graduation and enter this working. My basic technical skills are Java, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. Apart from this, I have special interest in reading newspaper, playing table tennis, and cricket, and I have successfully participated in various competitions where I have shown my talent. My interest in sports manifested in me playing table tennis all throughout my childhood, and I am a supporter of my team. Apart from institution, Jspiders Rajajinagar is one of the best institution and good platform to learn new technical skills and programming skills like Java, MySQL web technology and JavaScript from scratch. I thank Keshav sir, Uday sir and Sharik sir for teaching the concepts in such a way that it helped me to crack the interview, and I especially thanks to Jspiders HR team who helped me lot to get placed in reputed company. Thank you.